Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 1040 step by step. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your W-2 forms, interest statements, and any other income records. Next, accurately enter your personal information, including your full name, current address, and social security number. Finally, select your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your tax calculation significantly. Now, let's move on to reporting your income. You'll need to list all taxable income from your wages, salaries, and tips, typically found on your W-2 forms. Don't forget to include any interest, dividends, or capital gains you received throughout the year. Also, report other income sources like unemployment compensation or any business income you might have earned. Be thorough to ensure accuracy. Next, it's time to maximize your deductions and credits. Decide whether to take the standard deduction, which is a fixed amount, or itemize if your eligible expenses exceed that. Remember, tax credits directly reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar, which is incredibly beneficial. Look into common deductions such as student loan interest, educator expenses, or contributions to an individual retirement arrangement to lower your taxable income. Finally, let's calculate your tax and payments. Use the official tax tables or worksheets provided by the Internal Revenue Service to determine your total tax liability. Be sure to report any federal income tax that was already withheld from your paychecks throughout the year. After accounting for all payments and credits, you will clearly see if you owe additional tax or if you are due a refund. Good luck with your filing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.